on a windy and rainy day. Walid was sleeping quietly when he heard a strange sound outside. Whoa, whoa! He woke up and got up quickly. He ran outside to see what was there. He took a water with him. He got wet, but he tried to see carefully. He did not see anything. He only saw a spider web under the tree. Suddenly, he heard his neighbor calling outside, "Walid! Walid!" He turned to the window and saw her waving her hands. She was sitting and knitting wool happily.
There is nothing scary. Everything is normal.
But what made that wuss sound? Oh, it is the wind.
W, w, went the wind, blowing round the house again. Rain was falling from the sky. Walid woke up and rubbed his eyes. What's that sound? Is it someone walking round? He looked left and he looked right. In the rainy, windy night. Don't be scared. It's the wind that filled the air. Spiderweb was waving free, dancing softly on the tree. Now we know. Wind can whistle soft and low. Nothing scary, all is fine. Windy day is just divine. Wind.
Wind.
Window.
Wave.
Wet.
Wool.
Water. 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 Web.